Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this slide, I show how to create and secure your Openai API key. Create an Openai account at platform. Openai.com by providing email and strong password. Enable two-factor authentication using an authenticator app within Settings Security. Navigate to API Keys and click Create New Secret Key to generate a key. Choose a unique label so you can identify the key later in lists. Store secrets safely in a password manager and never paste keys into public code. Rotate keys every 90 days and delete unused keys to limit exposure. Use environment variables named. Now I explain how to limit and monitor your API key usage for safety. Set fine-grained permissions and model restrictions for each API key to reduce blast radius. Configure usage limits and monthly budgets to prevent unexpected charges and runaway requests. Monitor requests in the dashboard and set alerts for anomalies or sudden cost spikes. Tag keys by project or environment so you can attribute traffic and costs accurately. Export logs to your SIEM or log storage for long-term auditing and incident response. Immediately revoke any key that appears in public code or compromised repositories. Finally, I cover best practices for using API keys safely in code and infrastructure. Store keys in environment variables and never hard code them into repositories or client apps. Send keys only over HTTPS in an authorization header as bearer followed by the key. Use backend proxying to keep keys off mobile and browser clients where possible. Rotate keys regularly, revoke compromised keys, and reconcile billing against API usage reports. Implement exponential backoff and retries to handle rate limits gracefully without spamming the API. Test rotation and revocation in a staging environment before rolling changes into production.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.